Have you ever been denied a loan, a credit card, or even an apartment rental only to find out your credit is frozen? It's frustrating, right? And if you're staring at a Transunion credit freeze, you're probably wondering how to thaw it out. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into unlocking your Transunion credit bureau. Let's talk about why credit freezes exist in the first place. Basically, it's like putting your credit on ice. No one can access your credit report without your explicit permission. While it's a great security measure to protect against identity theft, it can also be a major inconvenience when you need to apply for credit. So, how do you melt that icy barrier? Understanding the Transunion unfreeze process. First things first, there are 3 primary ways to unfreeze your Transunion credit: online, by phone, or by mail. Let's break down each method. Online, this is usually the fastest and most convenient option. You'll need to provide personal information to verify your identity. Make sure you're on the official Transunion website to avoid scams. By phone, if you prefer talking to a real person, you can call Transunion's customer service. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. By mail, this is the slowest method, but it's an option if you don't have online access or prefer snail mail. You'll need to fill out a form and send it to Transunion's address. Required information. No matter which method you choose, you'll need to provide specific information to unlock your credit. This typically includes your social security number, your date of birth, your name and address, the last 4 digits of your social security number, a valid government-issued ID number. It's crucial to have all this information ready to speed up the process. Unfreezing for specific creditors. Sometimes, you might not want to completely unfreeze your credit. Maybe you're applying for a mortgage, but you don't want just anyone accessing your credit report. In this case, you can place a temporary lift or thaw on your credit for a specific creditor. This is a great way to balance security and convenience. Security tips. While unfreezing your credit is essential, it's equally important to protect your identity. Here are a few tips. Create strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. Monitor your credit reports regularly for any suspicious activity. Be cautious about sharing personal information online or over the phone. Consider using a credit freeze as an extra layer of protection. How long does it take? The time it takes to unfreeze your credit depends on the method you choose. Online unfreezing is usually the fastest, often taking just a few minutes. Phone and mail requests may take a few days. Some states allow credit bureaus to charge a fee for unfreezing and refreezing your credit. Check your state's laws to see if you'll be charged. Once your credit is unlocked, you're free to apply for credit. However, it's essential to keep an eye on your credit report for any signs of fraud. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Unfreezing your Transunion credit is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand the steps involved. By following the guidelines we've outlined, you can regain control of your credit while maintaining strong security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.